Alright, we're here at the Honeoye Falls skate park. This is week 2 of our series of local skate parks. We're here today with our brushed Rollarlo, our brushed JT, whatever, Q130, and of course our favorite, the WL124008. We're just going to rip a little. Love it. They changed a few things around. They changed that bump. I don't know. It's been a while since we've been here, since the weather's broke. So, all right, well, we'll get ripping. All right, we're gonna start out with our Rapid Q130 wannabe monster truck, right? Hey, it didn't fall. It's already a turtle. Ooh. Already broke something. What do we break? What do we break? It's the mount for the. Yeah, I think these is popping. It's the mount for the tires, but we can't run it with the tires. Remember, that's not. Ooh, that was cool. We might end up taking a body off of this guy. It don't run good. Yes.
It likes to like pop.
Yeah. Bounces. At least it's landing on its feet. Whoa! That was awesome! What do we break now? Okay, we gotta make sure we get. Oh, this is a clip. Piece of cake. We gotta make sure we don't leave any plastic behind or nothing if we break stuff. Got that one. Now this is a brush version. The red. We're using the stock lithium ion. 150 mAh. Try and launch it over that thing. We don't care if we break this guy. So I really don't like running it. I'm gonna butcher the body so that it runs better. It doesn't catch the wheels. Oh, yeah. Hey, look, they changed the top there too. They put a curve on it. They've been doing work. Now this is a DIY. The community builds this skate park. It's not a publicly funded. It's community funded. Whoa. That was a good one. Wow. Yeah. There we go, Lord. It's still landing on its feet.
It controls pretty good on the air. When you try to do tricks,
yeah.
It actually turns.
Maybe this is going to change our mind about this guy.
Let's play with this new.
Huh?
We can do some.
Yeah. You can try to do some grinds or stuff. First, just try and launch over it. If it even gives you that. Yeah. Whoa! I can't wait to see the WL on this. We'll probably launch right over it. The little, yeah, you got turtle mode. All of a sudden, the turtle with it. Lauren, you know what we're gonna do in a minute? I'm gonna turn that launch ramp that way.
Yeah, let me get the.
And we're gonna. Okay.
I was thinking about that.
Yeah. Give this a couple more spins. This is, I'm not, you know, do a couple good launches, a couple good jumps, like hit that thing. Whoa. Wow. Oh, yeah, you didn't go over. I thought you were going to go over.
No, it landed like this.
Did they put an extra lip on it?
No, they might have put a lip on it.
Yeah, because I know you flip-flopped over it. Ooh, yes.
Actually, I think I could, this thing.
Yeah, you can probably control it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're saying this thing controls good on the park?
In the air.
This might be one of our park cars then.
It controls, like, I could probably do a whole front flip off of this thing.
We'll try it.
Okay.
Oh, that was cool. That was like a grind. I wonder if I got that in footage. Even landed on your feet. Wheelie, no less.
This is definitely a park car.
Yeah.
It's way better here.
Yeah. Okay, so we're changing our view on this guy. Forget the short course look. Just make it a skate parker. But that means we got to get another short course truck so that we have racers. Ooh. Hey, still landed on his feet. Oh, that might be a cool one.
It does look bound.
Yeah, the shocks are so like goofy. Friction shocks.
If you see how like easy
Yeah,
it like this
yeah.
like you have a lot of control.
That's awesome. The transition perfect. Try and get a back flip.
What?
Try and do a backer. Oh, almost.
Oh,
Ooh.
I can totally do it.
Yeah.
I just gotta get good enough run up. Oh.
If we could do a double backflip, we can enter it into a contest. There's a contest this month for double backflip. East Coast. Not that our cars are any good, because they got all those big fancy cars, and we got a little shitbirds. Still on your feet. Got a. Ooh, that was a good shot. That was good. You caught the edge of a bump on the other side. Wow, you're landing so nice.
It's holding up pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm abusing it.
Yeah, you're beating it up pretty good. We'll do a damage assessment later. But I think this might be one of our new skate park cars. Whoa! You scared me,
You think I was gonna hit you?
yeah, you went the other way real quick. I wasn't ready for that. Yeah, the body makes it really nice. Yeah, that's perfect. Ooh, almost had it. Let me run that real quick. You gotta do that.
Yeah.
I think the battery's down. Oh, almost did a front flip. Oh, did I land it? Oh.
No.
Almost. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. I love it. Come on. How come you land on your feet so fast?
Because you have to mess with it to land on the feet. I wasn't just randomly doing that. I was moving it.
Ah! Almost. I should have popped it again to get it going reverse. Ooh, that was perfect. Oh, landed it. Landed it. Yeah. All right, let's switch cars before I break this thing. Oh, that was awesome. All right, one more. Yes. All right, I'll get too happy. Oh, almost. I gotta remember to double click to get it to spin because it just turns the brake. Yeah, but that's not bad. I dig this. First time it's got a win. Last time it was. This is definitely our new skate park.
Can I end this?
All right, time for our skate park bashing queen. The WL124008. First time here at our Honeoye Falls skate park. All right, babe. It does. And this is 3S. I'm not sure it's a good idea. Oh boy, starting off strong. What? That it was. Oh well, you know. I'd rather run it on what it comes with. First time at the park. Alright. Yep. No, I don't care. We have yet to break this. Whoa. I'm not standing.
I know.
You're gonna hit me. If then I don't get the good shot. Don't hit me. Whoa! Oh, holy crap! Lauren! You're gonna break it.
Oh my goodness! Did you get that?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out later, right? If you don't see it, don't punch it. Whoa! Now this park is so small. Like the other one's better. Whoa!
That's how fast it hit that quarter.
Yeah, crack. Oh, such a nice car. Whoa. Don't hit me.
I'm gonna go off that corner. So
What? With this corner?
I'm gonna go around.
Okay.
Do like a shoot.
All right. All right. Oh. Oh. The thing flew like 50 feet.
I'm gonna hop across.
Okay.
This one will definitely not. Oh, that's actually pretty nice.
Yeah. I want you to do a backflip on that. Yeah. Whoa, that's more to backflip. Oh, that's more to backflip. Oh, oh, did it break?
Nosedive.
Did it break?
It had a metal. It has a metal front.
Yeah, but I seen a guy break one right here. It looks.
Oh.
Oh, we had our first casualty.
That's not that bad.
No, I got extras of those.
That's just one piece that broke.
It's the shocks. So I guess we're done for today. But I'll get it repaired today. Oh, look, like the shock came undone. But that's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. That's
Good
what I
thing you
get
got
for
another
wanting to
one.
go big real quick.
Good thing you got another one coming in.
I know, it'll be here today or tomorrow. Might even be home when we
Oh
get
my
there.
god.
Well, we finally broke it. That's a good.
They have freaking both.
Well, not a good. but
Don't
I
launch
know.
it.
I know.
Oh my
That was
God.
pretty high, so we'll do a recap on that. But I'm probably now we'll at least see if the WL parts, the 1.4s, will fit on these because they do use the same diffs. So we'll find out. We'll see you when we see you. Like and subscribe.